Hello children, welcome back to mathematics class. In the previous class we have discussed about numbers from 1000 to 1099 and skip count of tens and skip count of hundreds. I'll ask you one question. What is the next number after 1036? It's 1037. Very good. Skip count in tens. Okay, I'll ask the question from skip count in tens. 1110. And what is the next count of 10? 1120. Good. Okay. Now I'll tell you a story about Rahul. See, he is Rahul. Okay. Now Rahul is going to school. In school, what you call Rahul as? He is a student. Okay. After coming back from the school, he came to home and see, he is enjoying it. His parents. Okay. Now for his parents, what is Rahul? What is the relation between Rahul and his parents? He is the son for their parents. Good. Now completing enjoyment, after completing enjoyment, he went out to play with friends. Okay, see, he is playing with friends. Now see, same Rahul. He is playing with friends. What is the relation between Rahul and these two? Friend. He is a friend of these two other persons. Okay. Now see, same Rahul. After going to school, Rahul became student. Then after coming to home, in the home, Rahul is son. And see, Rahul is playing with friends and he became friend. And finally, check here, he is with his sister. See, now he is a brother. Same Rahul, but see, playing different roles. Brother, son, student, friend. Now see, in the same way, let us talk about some concept today. There is a digit in any number. If you take a digit in any number, there we have some values, place value and face value. Face value is like a name. Okay, Rahul's name will not change. Wherever he go, whether he is going to school, he is in the home, he is in the park playing with friends, his name is same. Rahul is Rahul. But see, his relation is changing. When he went to school, he became a student. And when he came back home, he was son. And after going out, he became a friend. And in his home, he became brother also. See, same Rahul, basing on the places, his relation is changing. In the same way, we have place values and face values of a given number. So let us discuss about face values and place value today. So let us discuss about place value and face value of 4-digit numbers. So as we discussed earlier, 4-digit numbers we have ones, tens, hundreds and thousand places. Let us take some random digits here. 5, 4, 7, 3. I took some random digits and I formed a 4-digit number. Now what is the number now? 5, 4, 7, 3. Okay. Now in this we have 4 digits. Now see, this 3 is in which place? It is in ones place. 7 is in which place? Tens place. And 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. 5 is in which place? Thousands place. Let us think these digits as a person. Okay. Just like I said one story about Rahul, right? Wherever Rahul go, Rahul name doesn't change. Means Rahul name is Rahul name. In the same way, this is a name. Face value means it's a name. Wherever you go, your name doesn't change. But if you go for different places, your position changes. That means you're a son in the home, student in the school, and then if you go outside and playing with the friends, you become a friend. In the same way, these digits, basing on the place they are, the value changes. Okay, and remember one thing, always face value of any digit in the number is the digit itself. If I ask what is the face value of 7, it is 7 itself. Let us start looking here. Face value. First, in the ones place, which digit we have? 3. Okay, I am taking 3. And what is the face value? Just I said any digit's face value is the digit itself. So 3. Now how do you write place value? 3 is in which place? Ones place. So 3 ones. 3 ones equal to 3. Go for the next place, tens place. Which digit is there? 7 is there. Okay, 7 there. Now what is the face value of a 7? As I said, it's a name. Face value never changes. The digits itself 7. 7 is in which place? Tens place. So 7 tens we have. So 7 tens. 7 tens how much? 70. Okay, 7 tens 70. Now let us go for the digit 4. What is the face value? It's a name. As simple. Name means the digit itself 4. In which place? Hundreds place. So the place value become 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds how much? 400. Okay. Last. 5 is in which place? Thousands place. Okay. 5 is in thousands place. So what is the face value? Digit itself. So 5. And the place value is 5,000s. 5,000s. That means 5,000s. Okay. In this way, the face value and place value of a number can be written. Face value, it's a name. The digits face value is the digits itself. But whereas place value, basing on the place it taking, basing on the place it takes, the value changes. From this only we can write the number name. Shall we write the number name for this? Once look on the board. See, 5 is in which place? Thousands place. So 5,000. Now 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. So 400. 7 is in tens place. So 70. 3 is in which place? 3. So basing on this only we can write the number name 5,400 and read together 73. So the number name is 5,473. Let us learn how to write 4-digit number names. Okay. Shall we form one 4-digit number here? 7493. Okay. And one more. 4605. So this is the number we have taken randomly. In thousands place, which digit we have? 7. Hundreds place, which digit we have? 4. Tens place, which digit we have? 9. And ones place, which digit we have? 3. Okay. Now how to write the number name? Always these two digits, tens and ones, we have to read together. Okay. Now let us read place wise. This is 7,400. 9 tens means 90. 3 ones 3. But what I said, we have to read these two digits together. 93. So how do we form the number name? In this way. 7,493. So let us write the number name here. 7,000. Next 400. 400. Then we have 93. So 93. Okay, now let us go for this number 4605. In the ones place we have digit 5. In the tens place we have digit 0. In the hundreds place we have digit 6. In the thousands place we have digit 4. Okay. Now read this number 4,600. 0 tens means 0. 5 ones 5. So this is the number will be 4,605. Let us write the number. 4,600 Next, just 5. Okay, this is how we form the number names. Children, you know already about this number line, right? Now let us count these 4-digit numbers on the number line. This is the number line, and here 1000 is given. So what is the next number after 1000? 1000, 1001. So here on the number line, the next number is 1001. Next number is 1002. 2 after 3, so 1003. Then after 4, so 1004. 1004 after 1005. And next 1006. So on this number line, we can count the 4-digit numbers like this. Okay, let us go for the practice time sums 1.3. Practice time 1.3, page number 9. Find the place value and face value of the following digits. Also write the number name. So what is the question? A, 9, 4, 8, 6. These are the given digits. We have to write the face value, place value and number name. Okay. Now let us start with the digit 6. Before going to that, let us write the places. Here ones place, here tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Okay. Now face value, what did I say? Face value of any digit will be the digits itself. So 6, face value is 6. Now place value, 6 is in which place? Ones place. 6 ones, 6. If you go for 8, what is the face value? Digit itself, 8. In tens place, so 8 tens, 80. 8 tens, 80. 4, digit 4 is in hundreds place. Wherever the place, the face value is digit itself, so 4. If you go for the place value, place is hundreds and the number digit is 4. 4 into 100, 400. Then last digit 9 is in thousands place. Whatever the place, the digits value doesn't change. That is face value. Okay, the digit is itself 9. But if you go for the place value, what? Place into number digit. 1000 into 9, 9000. Okay. Now this is the face value and place value. How do you form the number name? Basing on this place value only, you can form the number name. 9486. Okay. What I said? Ones place and tens place you have to read together. 9486. Let us write the number name of this number. 9000. Then 400. 9400 and 86. I am writing down here. 86. So this is how we form face value, place value, and basing on the place value we can directly form the number name. Okay, let us go for the B question. Now B question 7363. Let us fill up the face values and place values. First, let us write the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place. Okay, face value, what I said, face value never changes, the digits itself. So let us write face value as it is. 3 is 3, 6 is 6, 3 is 3 again, 7 is 7 again. Now let us look up for the place values. In the ones place we have digit 3, so 3 ones, 3. In the tens place we have digit 6, so 6 tens, 60. In the hundreds place we have digit 3, 3 into 100, 3 hundreds, 300. And last in the thousands place we have 7, 7 thousands, 7000. Now look here, from the place values down. See, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. This is 7,000, this is 300, this is 60 and 3. We have to read together 63. From this only we can form the number name 7363. Okay, let us write the number name here. 7,300 then next directly you can write 63 together, not 60 and 3, 63 together you have to write. So 63. Now what is the number name of this number? 7,363 together. Okay, 7,363. Now let us go for the next bit. Second bit, complete the following table. Okay, here the row, the column is about all the numbers. Here thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place, and the number name also given, but it is incomplete. So we have to complete this. First, if you go for this number 6384, in the ones place, which digit we have? 4. So let us fill 4. Tens place we have 8. Hundreds place already 3 given. Thousands place it is 6. Okay. Next, what is the number name of this now? 6,384. So let us write the number name of this. 6,300 then 384. Okay, 6,384 is the number name. Now look here, 1479. In the ones place we have 9. Tens place 7 already they have given. And the 4 in the hundreds place, 1 in the thousands place. Okay. Now what is the number name? 1479. So let us write 1479. Now this digit, this 3401, in the ones place we have 1, tens place we have digit 0, hundreds place we have 4, thousands place we have number 3. So how do you read this number? 3401. So let us write the number name 3000. 401. Okay. Now in this 3 we have number names already. The number numbers are given already. We have to fill the numbers. First let us come from the highest place, thousands place. In thousands place we have 7. So let us fill this 7. Hundreds place we have 3. And directly 50, means in tens place 5, 50, and in the ones place there is nothing, so 0. So what is the number now? 7350. Okay. Now see this number 1466. Let us come for the highest place. In thousands place we have 1. Next hundreds place we have 4. 66 means tens 6. And here 66. Okay. Now let us write the number 1466. And last 6956. Thousands place we have 6. Hundreds place we have 9. Last 56 together. 56 means 5 tens, 6 ones. So the number is 6956. 56. Okay, now we completed second bit. Let us go for the third bit. Third question, count on the number line. Okay, see, this is the number line and here numbers are given 1500 and the next number 1501, 1502 means plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is the next number after 2? 3. 3 after 4. 4 after 5. Okay, just we have to write the 1502, 1503 in that way. Let us fill the number line here. Okay, 1502, next number is 1503. 3 after 4, so 1504, then 1505, 1506, then 1507. In the same way we have to fill down also. 9835 is the first count on the number line. Now second count on the number line is 9836. That means only plus 1. Now what is the next digit after 6? It is 7. So 9837. 37 after 38. So 9838. 38 after 39. So 9839. Now what is the next number after 39? It is 40. So let us write like this: 9840. After that 41. So 9841. Then 9842. So we have counted 4 digit numbers on the number line. Let us go for the fourth bit. Fourth bit, skip count in 2s and complete the number line. Okay, so this is the number line and we have to skip count in the 2 and we have to complete the table. So what are the 4 digit numbers here given? 1480, 1482, 1484. Let us go for the last digit only in the ones place: 0, 2, 4, and next skip count will be 6, next 8. For easy understanding, let us circle the lines here. First one, skip count 1, 2 here. Okay, next 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1 and 2 here, 1 and 2 here. Okay, here 1484. 4 after 5, 6. So let us write like this: 1486, 87, 88. So 1488. 89 after 90. So 1490. 91, 92. So 1492. 93, 94. 1494. This is how we have to write the numbers by skip count of 2 on the number line. Now let us go for the fifth question. What is the fifth question? Skip count in 5s and complete the number line. On the number line, first number is 6350. Second number is 6355. So count of 5. See, this is the first. Then count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next skip count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. Okay. Shall we start writing? 6355. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So 6360. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So 6365. Then 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So 6370. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So 6375. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So 6380. And last one, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So 6385. This is how we completed skip count of 2 and 5s on the number line. Let me ask you few questions from these concepts. So see the number 1475. This 1475, and what is the place value of this 4? What is the place value of 4? 4 is in which place? 100's place. So 4 into 100, 400. Can you say the number name of this number 1475? Read according to the places. 1475. So the number name is 1475. From this same number, I am going to ask one more question. What is the face value of this 1 here? What is the face value of this 1 here? It is 1. As I said, face value never changes. Okay. Now let me ask you one more question. Let us think a number line. Okay. On the number line, 1475 is there. 1475. What is the next number after 1475? It is 1476. Now last question. What changes? What value changes basing on the place of the digit? Is it place value or face value? Very good. It is place value. Once again, practice all the problems. Let us meet with a new concept tomorrow in the next class. Okay. Have a great day.